Creating 3D prints.
Hiya, welcome to my channel, 3D Printing and Painting with Heath. That's me. This video is sponsored by Dwight33, who kindly sent me this 3D pen. He's seen my videos on 3D printing and he said, can you try this pen out for us? So yeah, here we go. So it came this morning. I had a little practice with it first and it's really good. So what you get with it, the instructions, let me just go through these here for a second. It's pretty simple instructions how to get up and running with your pen, how to feed it, how to heat it, and how to start off with it. So pretty simple, nice and easy, simple instructions. You also get some PLA to start off with. I've got the yellow, and it's like an orangey colour, and the brown, which is in the pen itself. You also get a little stand with it to put your pen in, but I made my own stand on one of the 3D printers, which is a bit better. So just lay it on there. So yeah, that's all you get in it. You get your starter kit, you get everything for you to get up and running. The reason why I do love this pen, because as you know, I am the RC hunter and I have got a lot of, you know, RCs and stuff to fix. So, you know, this comes in really handy. And this is my very first attempt. I printed this Dalek, and the guns fell off and broke. Rather than setting the printer up and doing it all again, I just 3D printed with a pen the guns, stuck them off, and they're solid. Bit of sanding down and it's fixed. Absolutely amazing. So if you've got a 3D printer or into RCs, man, why haven't you got a 3D printing pen? So it's endless what you can do with it really. Mainly I'd be fixing stuff with it, you know, like my models and my RCs. So let me just show you the pen. Come up to it. So you've got a digital display here. It does PLA or ABS, your temperature. This is your guide, as in the speed on the PLA, what comes out. You put your PLA in there. This is your power cord. That's your feed to go it forward, so it brings the PLA up through the pen, and this is your backwards, which is awesome. It's got a retraction on the pen, which is, it's crazy really. So that's the pen. You'll probably be seeing a lot of this pen on my channel. I'll be doing fixes, I'll be making models with it. Gosh, I don't know, you know, I'll just be doing all sorts of it. It's just an handy tool to have with the printers we've got. So yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.